Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to discuss how to hide your credit utilization. But first, like, subscribe. This hack is for anybody who has a maxed out credit card and they want to pay it down but do not have the money to pay it down. So most people will tell you, pay down your credit card and your utilization will improve. But most of us do not have the money to pay down that credit card right away. So this hack will give the credit card companies the illusion that you have paid down the credit card, but in reality, you have not. So let's get started. So there's 3 easy steps to this technique. First, take your whole paycheck and put it onto the credit card. That's maxed out. Step 2, do not use that credit card until the statement closes. Step 3, you can now pay your bills after the statement date. You can pay all of your bills on your credit card. So after your statement closes, you can now charge all of your bills to the credit card. So your bills will get paid and the credit reporting agency will see a lower balance or a paid off balance. Because of the lower balance or the paid off balance, your credit utilization will go down, hence hiding the credit utilization. But in reality, you're just using the card after the statement closes. So the credit reporting agency sees a lower balance, which lowers your utilization. And you've still paid all of your bills. I've used this technique for months now. Because I've used this technique, it has improved my personal credit score over the past 4 months from 623 to now 725. On any given day, my credit utilization is probably about 50%. But because I paid down my credit cards before the statement date, what gets reported to the credit reporting agency is 29%. So this technique it's amazing, it's powerful. It can give you a jump start and improving your credit. So I know this hack can be confusing. So I left a brief explanation of this hack in the description below. So hopefully this hack was helpful. If it was, leave a comment below. If you've tried it before or if you've heard about it before, also leave a comment below. Like, subscribe. Thank you.